We are pleased to show you the 2015 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.